Hello everybody. Ready to rock and roll? Look at the dude, he's listening to you.
I don't care, just get me back to the dock. Oh, the wind is good, see? There you go.
Yeah, he's moving around a little bit.
I think he likes it when we go down here in the hull area, the smoke comes back and kind of makes a nausea.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you're right, I saw the red light on. The first bit we weren't recording.
Yeah.
So I'll just piece them all together. Yeah, that's it, lick my gas can. Gas, oh, dude, red light on the back. Oh, stupid. You can see the red light on the, there's a little tiny one on the back that goes. They've come a long way with these things, eh?
Oh yeah. Oh, bass just jumped right here, look at it.
Oh yeah.
Wait, big one, he just came up and flopped.
Yeah, we should be fishing. You know what, May 2-4 weekend, that'd be really good.
Yeah.
We are not fishing bass.
We're not fishing bass.
No,
Jeff.
no, no,
We're
no.
gonna do that till the third week or second week, depends on when Father's Day is.
In June. We just fished those little tiny.
Good, eh?
2 loons.
Oh, maybe that's what it was. It was green though, that was a fish.
Yeah. Yeah, everybody's really hungry this time of year, eh?
Yeah.
Beautiful. You should see it on here. It's
Oh, is that clear?
nice.
This is the birdies. See the birdies, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
What are those birdies doing on the water, eh?
Yeah. See good, eh? There you go. See, it's a lot better up here. The
Yeah.
air's a little better. Look at the boat, man. Don't be afraid of the boat. The boat's our friend. It's our transportation. We are native to this land.
Yeah, he's happy now, eh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Go down? Okay. Just was fun, man.
Yeah.
Kind of hard to stand up all the time, especially see these little ginger on his toes. Eh?
Yeah, yeah.
Not sure of this momentum thing, the earth moving beneath his feet. There's a nice little house for sale.
Yeah.
I have to have a view of that too.
Yep. I'm heading there.
This house can be yours for $587,000. Has there ever been a sea-doo on here?
Oh yeah. Those guys at the end of the lake that have that property, he has 2 Sea-Doos. They're not too bad though.
These guys on sea-doos, I'm sorry, but they do have a reputation and there's a reason behind it. Some people think they can ride those things better than they really can.
Yeah.
You know, because truthfully, it's like a motocross bike on water, right?
Oh yeah.
There's far too much power. You know, you're